What's up, YouTube? Gonna make. I saw on Shark Tank some people made some cupcake pizzas, so I was just trying it myself. I don't have time to make dough, so I got some pre-made dough, and I just cut them in little slices, and I sprayed the pan. I basically just put them on each cup, each strip on each cup. And try to spread them out as best I could. Guess I could have made my own dough, but sometimes you don't have all that time in the world to make just to make the dough all the time. You need like quick fixes and stuff to make stuff kind of fast. Some people don't have all day to cook. But yeah, I just put them in all of the 6 cups I had. Blub, 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 blub. And I put some pizza sauce. I just got that ragu pizza sauce. You can always make some with like tomato and basil and all that stuff. But yeah, some people just have a little bit of time to make food for their family, so. And I got the little mini pepperonis and then some mozzarella cheese. And then I top it off with some more sauce. Just the sauce. And I grabbed another sheet and put it on top to close them up better. One more. And then I'm gonna flip them over so I get the top layer to be more smooth. Well, I didn't realize I should have put more sauce. Should have put more sauce on it, but I didn't. Then I brushed it with sauce on the top, which I shouldn't have done. I should have just baked. Next time, or if you guys try to make it, just straight bake it first, halfway, and then put some sauce and cheese, because the cheese and the sauce melts. Because it takes some time for the dough to actually cook. And that's the end result. It tastes like a Hot Pocket, but with like a awesome tasting bread. Like it was flavor.